Here I am going to show you the first HDB flats in Singapore, but before that, one milestone, that is Queenstown Stadium. So if you are in Singapore and want to have a look of first HDB flat, so look at this landmark, Queenstown Stadium. So the first HDB flats, blocks 45, 48 and 49, Sterling Road, were the first few blocks of flats completed in October 1960. So in 1960, 3 HDB flats were built. Just months after the Housing and Development Board, which is popularly known as HDB, was formed in February 1960. They were part of the Queenstown estate that the Singapore Improvement Trust had begun work on in the 1950s. So this one, block 49. By looking this block, it doesn't look like that it is already 61-year-old. We are in 2021 and it was built in 1960. From here you can also have a view of stadium. And this building what you are seeing here, this is block 45. So when you will come here, you will also see this board, the first HDB flats, and just behind it, it is block 45. So block 45 and 49 are opposite. But to have a look of block 48, you need to come down. It is now near Queenstown Community Center. So this is block 48. So this block we will try to have a look from both the sides. So this is from the main road side, and the back side we will go and try to have a look. It seems some work is going on. I was wondering whether they had lift or not. So I wanted to have a look. So I went to the front. So here you can see and this is the lift. So block 48 lift. Here you can see that camera is on operation. So every block you will find one camera, more than one, many times. And this is a block. So it is 7-story building. So all three were 7-story building.